Welcome back to Cooking with Lynn. And for today, we'll be making a tomato and spinach pasta. We'll start off by showing you all the ingredients needed: some tomato paste, some diced tomatoes, cream cheese, some oregano, salt, some pepper, of course, some spinach, and some Parmesan cheese. And then I also added some pre-cooked rotisserie chicken from Walmart, and whatever noodles you like. And here is a picture of all the ingredients if you want to screenshot that. You're going to start off by boiling some water to cook your noodles in, and you're going to cook them for about 10 minutes, and you're just going to keep checking on them until you like the texture. I'm gonna check on my noodles and taste it, and it tastes good. Put your pan on medium heat. Now we're gonna chop up our onion to use in our pasta. Once our pan is warm enough, we're going to put our onions in our pan to saute them for about a couple minutes. We're going to put in about 2 cloves of garlic. I got this pre-cut garlic jar from Walmart. You can find it by the vegetables. It's really amazing and it's really convenient. We're going to put the whole 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes in there, and my pan is still on medium heat, by the way. And I like adding cayenne just because I like it a little spicier. And you're just going to stir all that up on medium heat. And next you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You're going to add in about a half a cup of water, and you're just going to keep stirring it until the tomato paste is completely dissolved. And now make sure you turn your heat to low, and you're going to add your cream cheese. You can always add a little more if you want it more creamier. Towards the end, I do add a little bit more of cream cheese. Now I added some rotisserie chicken, which you don't have to do. You can just have no meat if that's how you like it. And you can always add more Parmesan, you can add more tomatoes, you can add more spinach, whatever you like to make it to how you want it to be. And I don't like my pasta to be like drowned in sauce, but if you like more saucier, then you can always like, double the ingredients for the sauce. It's dinner time, my honey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to watch my last 3 videos and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.